Most people use ChatGPT like it's Google, and that's exactly why they get boring results. These 5 prompts will make ChatGPT feel like your personal genius assistant instead of a lazy chatbot. Prompt number 1, the idea generator. Say this to ChatGPT. Give me 10 unique content ideas for any topic, each with a short, viral style title. Perfect for creators who run out of ideas but still want views. You'll be shocked how fast it gives you scroll-stopping titles. Prompt number 2, the career upgrade. Ask it, act as a career coach. Analyze my resume and tell me how to make it more powerful for any job role. This turns ChatGPT into a free LinkedIn strategist. No expensive resume experts needed. Prompt number 3, the learning hack. Use this. Explain any complex topic to me like I'm 5, then again like I'm an expert. You'll understand anything faster, whether it's coding, marketing, or even rocket science. Prompt number 4, the moneymaker. Type this. Act as a business consultant. Give me 3 simple side hustle ideas I can start with $0 using AI tools. This one's dangerous. You'll want to quit your job after seeing what it gives you. Prompt number 5, the content polisher. Say, rewrite this text in a smoother, more engaging tone. Keep it natural, not robotic. Use this for captions, posts, or even emails. It's your instant copywriter. You don't need to learn AI to benefit from it. You just need to learn how to talk to it. The future belongs to people who give better prompts, not people who wait for better tools.